BITS Pilani, with its 5 campuses in Pilani, Goa, Hyderabad, Mumbai and Dubai, has received an overall rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com, and it is granted the Institute of Eminence status. Our focus here is on the Hyderabad campus. Let's look closely at the integrated MSc courses offered here, starting right off with placements rated 4.5 stars. The campus placement report indicates that notable recruiters at the Hyderabad campus include Oracle, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, McKinsey & Company and Barclays. Roles offered range from market analyst and software analyst to software developer and system engineer. Students reported the highest salary offered was 61 lakh per annum. According to the NIRF 2024 report, around 2,508 out of 2,931 graduating students secured placements, resulting in a placement rate of 86%, a slight decline from 2021. The median salary offered stood at 18.96 lakh per annum, reflecting a 46% increase from 2021. BITS Pilani Hyderabad offers a much higher median salary than the University of Hyderabad, making it a preferred choice for the students. Students undertake a summer internship known as Practice School in their second year, followed by a 12-month internship in their final year under the dual degree program. Opportunities include placements at top companies such as Apple, Amazon, Goldman Sachs, Adobe, and American Express. The integrated MSc program at BITS Pilani offers 6 specializations over 4 years with a transfer option based on student preference. To qualify for admission, students must score a minimum of 75% in 10+2 and pass the BITSAT entrance exam with heightened admission criteria for the integrated MSc Honours in Biological Sciences. The total tuition fee for the 4-year program is 20.76 lakh, excluding a hostel fees of 2.2 lakh rupees. BITS Pilani offers various scholarships, fellowships and financial aid, with around 25% of the students receiving semester tuition waivers ranging from 10% to 100% based on merit or financial need. Moving on to infrastructure with a rating of 4.6 stars. BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus spans across 200 acres in Jawahar Nagar. This fully residential campus accommodates over 2,800 students with around 700 new admissions each year. Students appreciate the Wi-Fi enabled campus featuring centrally air-conditioned lecture halls, classrooms and a well-stocked library. Accommodations include 6 girls hostels and 2 boys hostels, offering both vegetarian and non-vegetarian meal options. In addition, the campus boasts a range of sports facilities including outdoor and indoor sports arenas. Let's take a look at the faculty and course with a rating of 4.4 stars. The faculty at BITS Pilani are drawn from reputed institutions, with most holding PhD degrees. Students appreciate the research-oriented teaching approach. To pass exams, a minimum CGPA of 4.5 is required. Students get ample exposure and global opportunities for semester abroad programs and extensive research work through partner universities like Carleton University, University of Illinois, Texas A&M University, to count a few. Moving on now to the 4.8 rated campus life. BITS Pilani offers various clubs including dance, music, painting, photography, dramatics club and others for students to showcase their talents. The Hyderabad campus fosters an engaging atmosphere through numerous events such as workshops, conferences and webinars, encouraging active student participation. Currently, BITS Pilani holds the 23rd rank in the NIRF 2024 overall category, having moved up 2 positions from last year. For more details on BITS Pilani Hyderabad and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.